Okay, here it's supposed to be. You know, this area, it's one of Fuengirola / Benalmadena's most luxury area.
Yes, I know.
And it's,
Life, work, play is the theme for this area.
yeah, so you can combine all of it at the same time.
Yeah.
Here we are.
At last. Wow.
Look at that light.
Very, very bright. That's almost a rim, actually. Fantastic. Open floor plan. You know, the
Nice kitchen.
terrace and the living room is seamless in one, you know, it's like one big room. And
Very
look at-
big room. Oh, look at this pool area.
Yeah, I know, it's super nice.
I like the way they have, how you can use this terrace. It's like 3 rooms in one.
Yes.
You have a living room, you have sunbeds, and you still have room for a dining table.
Yeah. Very nice furniture as well. Are they included in the price, or do you know?
They are negotiable.
Negotiable, of course. Yeah. I also like, there's a couple of things about this terrace, which I think is important. And first of all, this is it's a resale, so it's been lived in, but it's still a brand new apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, you have the glass here instead of the normal where it's kind of brick walls or something, which makes it very bright. The whole facade here is like a big curve, so it's very, very nice architecture. And extremely important, it's a covered or partly covered terrace.
That's important.
So, you know, it's hot now in January, it's you know, the light is coming in, but in the summer it will be up here, so it's a nice shade. Shall we have a look at the kitchen? So, open plan, very nice appliances. We have Bosch high quality appliances, both there, the oven, the micro.
And induction.
Yeah, absolutely. Here you have the dishwasher integrated. Here is the fridge and
Freezer.
the freezer. Look at this.
Ta-da!
Self-closing. So I love it. And
Yeah,
with the
it's very
kitchen
nice.
island and everything, you know,
And you still can be part of the terrace.
you're part of the terrace, you're part of the dinner party if you have guests.
You can even open up here if you like. You can choose which parts
Yeah, that's true.
of the sliding doors you can open out.
I didn't thought about that. And these are not that heavy, even if they are
No.
big. You know, it's very
It's
easy
super
to.
light. Yeah.
Oops.
What's in there?
Here is the washing machine, the laundry machine,
Nice to have
and
it.
the boiler as well.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a utility room where you can have also your brush and your vacuum cleaner and all that stuff.
It's nice to have it outside the kitchen.
Yeah, very good. So let's have a look in the bedrooms.
Bathroom with a shower
Yeah, big one,
and a single bedroom.
which also can be
Very
used as an
awesome.
office if you don't need it.
Absolutely. Guest room, office.
Yeah,
Still big windows. And here's the master.
yeah, and it's separate. So it has ensuite and the bedroom itself with the wardrobes here.
Yeah.
I also noticed that in each bedroom there is a unit there where you can control the climates. And I wouldn't be surprised if there is, if it's underfloor heating here.
heating, yeah.
Let me have a look. Yep, underfloor heating, big shower,
Yeah. And it's in the other bathroom also.
very nice.
Here's the pool area.
Yes, and also a good angle or to have a look at the block, the building where the apartment is located there. It's in the middle there, so on the left side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And here you can also see the very nice wavy architecture
yeah,
of the building.
yeah. And it's a huge pool area here. I mean, now we are in January, so this is a winter. So obviously it's maybe doesn't look as nice as it would be. Can imagine when the sun is out, was supposed to be today, and all the people are here. It's super nice.
It's very, very nice.
I could actually argue that this block is maybe not the best, but one of the better in Higueron West, because it's in the far west side of the area, so it have an open view towards the sun and the sunset. So one of the absolutely big features with the Higueron West is it's so close by to the Hilton Hotel, which, as you know, have a sports club, with a big, nice spa, and you can have a membership if you want. So you have free access year-round to the spa and the health club and everything.
Yeah, they have even inside pool, outside pool. They have a gym. They have paddle courts. They have a beach volleyball.
Yeah.
They have, you name it. They have everything here.
Yes. And a couple of restaurants, and one of them have
A star.
a star,
Michelin star.
a Michelin star. So, how could we summarize this fantastic apartment?
I really like that terrace because it was big, almost 40 square meters.
Yeah, 39.
39 square meters, and it was with these sliding doors that went so easy. You open up, and then you also have the living room and kitchen included in this big, nice terrace.
Yeah.
And I think that was the highlight of this apartment. Really,
Yeah.
very nice.
I agree. In addition to that, obviously the location. So we are in Higueron West. I argue one of the better spots. We have the close to this hotel, the Hilton Hotel that we talked about. We have all the sports facilities. We only have 1.5 kilometers down to the beach,
Yeah.
and also one Carvajal beach, which is one of the best in the area.
Absolutely.
It takes about 15 minutes to get to the airport, and only 5 minutes and you're out on the highway. So very, very easy to access everything. In terms of size, as you said, the terrace is 39 square meters. The built is 88. The apartment itself is 88 square meters in total. And the price?
540,000 euros.
It's a bargain.